Welcome. This tutorial will guide you through a basic search of the CINAHL Complete database. You can access the CINAHL database on the library homepage, library.utica.edu. You'll just need to scroll down to the Find Databases menu, and then select Medicine, Health, and Psychology, and then follow the CINAHL Complete link. We'll begin by conducting a basic search. Enter migraine in the search box and select the full text limiter to restrict results to those including full text. This is useful if you're a distance student because it'll ensure that all of your resulting articles will be available electronically. You can apply additional limiters to your search. The peer-reviewed limiter will ensure that all of your results are from scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Then, click the green search button. Under Limit To, use the Date slider to narrow your results by date. Simply drag either end of the slider toward the middle. You can also refine your results even further by selecting the Show More link. Click on a full-text link to read an article. You'll also have the option to print or download the full article. Click on the folder icon to save results in the temporary session folder. To save results beyond the current session, click the Sign-In link to create a MyEBSCOhost account folder free of charge. Searching the subject terms can also be very useful. When you check the Suggest Subject Terms box above the search box prior to conducting a search, your terms are searched against the CINAHL Headings Authority. From there, you can select headings and subheadings to refine your search. You can also click on the CINAHL Headings link along the top toolbar to browse for alternate subject terms. This is helpful if your initial search doesn't provide many results or if the results don't seem relevant. At any time, click on the Help link to view the complete online help system. For more information, visit EBSCO Connect or contact the UC Library at reference@utica.edu or call the information desk at 315-792-3044.